what happens, I try to sell my house, I get caught up in these situations with contingencies. And am I stuck? Can I call Evervest Home Buyers, or am I stuck? Can I just not sell my house?
You can call us. I mean, that'd be a hard thing for me to answer. In the fact that contingencies are all phrased differently. There might be time frames involved. If there's a time frame involved and you're still under that time frame, technically you can enter into 2 contracts at once, right? If they say we got to come down in a price, if you're stuck in a contingency or whatever that case may be, if it's a financing contingency and it goes past the deadline of the financing contingency, then yes, you could. But if it was a contingent on something like inspections and you were within that time frame of the contingency, you can both mutually agree in writing to void the contract, and at that point in time you would be free to sell it again. But if you were actually under contract and within the time frame of the contingency, you could have me come out and take a look at it and I could tell you what I could do, but you couldn't enter into a contract with me until that contract was null and void.
That makes sense.
Yeah. I mean, you got to be on the up and up, right?
Yeah. Agreed.
Yeah. And you don't want to enter into something that could cause, problems with lawyers later.
Yeah, well, it should always be in good faith, and it should always be good for everyone.
Yeah.
That's the world we should live in.
Yeah, I mean, we all should do what we say we should do,
Yeah.
right? I mean, that's what we should do, right?
And then consider the mutually beneficial aspects of everything we do.
Yeah. Well, we live in an interesting world, right? So as years have gone by, there's a lot more online now, right? So if you get a bad name, that can spread like wildfire, right?
Yes.
I mean, I implore everybody out there, I mean, go look at people's, Better Business Bureau rating, right?
Sure.
Or their Google review rating. I mean, that can tell you a lot. Ours is A+ at this point. I'm an A+ rating, and I have a 5-star with Google. So we work very hard to keep that. And I think everybody should, but, you can do your due diligence. It's pretty easy.
You got to earn
days.
it.
All you need is a phone, right?
You don't just get it.
Yeah.
You have to actually earn it.
Right. That's true.
That makes sense. And you guys have.
I appreciate that. Yeah, we have.